If you're trying to connect your Samsung soundbar to its subwoofer but don't have the remote, don't worry, this method works on most models and takes less than a minute once you know what to do. So stay with me and follow these steps carefully. First, place your soundbar and subwoofer close to each other. Distance matters. A shorter gap means a stronger signal and a faster pairing process. Now, plug the subwoofer into a power outlet. You should see the link indicator light start blinking. That blinking light means the subwoofer is in pairing mode and waiting to connect. On the back of the subwoofer, look for a small button labeled ID set or ID. You'll need something pointed like a pen, toothpick, or paperclip to press it. Hold that button down until the link light begins blinking rapidly. That rapid blink is your signal that the subwoofer is now fully ready to pair. Next, plug in your soundbar. As soon as it powers on, it will automatically try to connect to the subwoofer. Watch the link light on the back of the subwoofer. Once it turns solid blue, the connection is successful. Your soundbar and subwoofer are now paired without using any remote at all. If the light doesn't turn solid on the first try, unplug both devices, wait a few seconds, and repeat the steps. Sometimes a quick reset is all it needs. And that's it. Super simple. No remote required. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more helpful how-to videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.